everyone, this is Go Green, Live and Cook. It is Orchids Day. Orchids grow in tropical region. They bloom all around the years. If you want to grow small potted plant indoor, my suggestion would be just have an orchid at home. So here I have different timing bloom of orchid. One of them is done blooming. It's ready for getting to the dormant stage for some time, and again it will come back. This one is done and it's ready to go for dormant stage and gather all the good nutrition and then start growing again stem. There's one again sprouted out, and now like we see the bloom here. There's a couple of those which is blooming, which is already blooming, and the again one is ready to get repotted. So orchids actually gives a lot of just small take care you got to do, and then you will be fine. 2 years back I was thinking orchid is really hard to maintain, and even in the instruction of orchid take care, when you buy the pot from store, they say that put some ice cubes. Please, please, please don't do that. They are living being. They don't want more cold. The cold will kill the root of the orchid plant. When you put lot of ice cubes, then you got to be really taking care of these things, and I wouldn't recommend to use ice cubes. Orchid has got a special type of planting techniques. Initially when I repotted the plant, I took the orchid and put it in soil. They don't grow in soil. If you see here, these are the wood chips, wood barks. Orchids really grow in the trunk of a tree, where it tries to climb, and these are the water succulents. It takes the water from outside and breathe through that to grow healthy leaves. So even I made a mistake of cutting these succulents here. They are really, really good. It tries to take the moist from outside and gather it and try to save that for the leaf. Then it will try to sprout out with nice blooming. You don't need a special fertilizer for orchid. Orchids are really easy to take care. My mom gives just probably some water to this alternative days. You don't even need to do that way, but the reason is like she's taking care of it. She thinks like it's getting dried out, that's why she is giving. But if you give too much water, you will have lot of growth, additional growth, or like this fungus inside. So it's better to dry out the orchids. Don't put it in direct sun. Direct sun is not that great. So you have to have a little bit drained kind of barks here. So it's really, you need to find out your orchid in your home, how much humidity it needs so that it can sprout out and you can get a new bud. This stalk over here is fresh and it's trying to come up. Again, you should have some kind of pot where lot of holes down so it can drain the water here. So orchid doesn't like extra water, and also it needs indirect sunlight. So keep it near the window. It doesn't need direct sunlight. If you give direct sunlight, it doesn't it will, the flowers are so delicate, so you don't need that. The only reason I kept it out is to just do some kind of cleanup. That's why I have it here. Again, orchids, it's easy even for the elder people to take care. It's very small plant. If you see here, they can take in hand and they can feed this with water. Feeding is just only water. You don't need to put any additional ones. Just take it and keep it down the faucet where the running water comes, little bit same as room temperature water. Just wash this pot only from here. If you do it from here, don't try to give water here. So when the leaf have a water, what happens is it will try to erode this area and then it will fall down. What you can do is just do water only down from here. So it's easy to do, or you can take a small bottle, like a water bottle, the small one, and then put some hole there and just squeeze some water around this area. So that's enough. So extra water has to got drained out. And the other way is, like, you can have this down. I just leave it down in this pot so it will drain it out easy when you water the pot. So orchid is really fun and easy growing, and also at the same time it gives you more happiness and air purification in your home. See you soon.